respect to our very energetic and handsome as that, our PSDS, Vincent Garces, of course, to the outgoing school principal of CES, my boss, Ramon de Gloria, sa larin na nung maabot por dito sa itong dito. First challenge, sound system.
First challenge, the first to be both is microphone.
So, of course, to our PTA President, Serenan, to my fellow school heads, dito na siguro sa isaon, daw damo-damong it. Of course, to the strong workforce of Polonuling Central Elementary School, sa inyong mga tanan mahinaga. Sa speech kanina, may mga word ako nga natandaan din, like paradise. I hope na sa paradise wala ang serpent. Ano ba paradise may serpent? Pero kayo, wala na rin sa Polonuling. Sa other school na ara. Okay. And isa pagit kay Ma'am Cecilia na Joy. Sinong Joy?
May find joy.
I will be searching that joy in Polonuling. No? Okay. So, thank you very much for this opportunity. Actually, may konting babasahin na ako, no? Actually, I prepared 5 pages, but na-reduce siya into lowest term. So, sige lang, it's my time and it's my moment. So, konti lang. So, I, Rannie Cabanya, ultimately I want to accept the day of responsibility that you entrusted us, boss, and bestowed upon me. I promise to do the best of my ability and to set myself as an example worthy of leadership. And I will do the best that I can to be the leader of change and stronghold of Polonuling Central Elementary School. 4 objectives. As part of the new leadership, I will seek to carefully develop camaraderie among the teachers, stakeholders, parents, and the learners. And I believe this is a great responsibility, and I am committed in execution of my duties to earn the confidence you have placed in me. Hope so. I draw strength from knowing that I am the term ahead. I will be serving as part of a committed team, your team, and I will work without ceasing to live up to it. To Boss Ramon, the legacy that we live in this school will still continue. The values we show will not stop in us, as what I have said, it will continue. Because the next time we pass this responsibility, I pass this responsibility to the next school head, we will definitely remind the incoming ones who you took care and under everything here in our school. I stand before you today completely honored to be your new school principal. I am humbled and blessed to be your school head for the school year 2022-2023 and lead the school into its more brighter future. I look forward to meeting all you and getting to know the community that I will soon call home. I hope this will be my new home. Yes. It is from your support, warm welcome, and belief that I will embark on this journey. A journey that I am privileged to take with you all. And this journey starts right now, today. Yesterday pa. Granting, no? I've been looking forward to this great day. It is a day of happiness, a day of purpose, and a day of promises. Hindi yan mapapakto sa akin. No? Okay. Transitions are never easy to let be in your school, in our school. or any other practical stage of life. Naturally, we have a bit of anxiety about who will be stepping in to lead our school. The teachers and staff, of course, of this previous principal was a man of a great honor, have nurtured and taught the pupils and have put energy in making this school as glorious as this, because he is as I said before, transitions are never easy. And I would like to remind all of us, wanting to be in an educational institution like this, that to be able to teach, influence, and lead the younger generation are not tasks but privilege. Amenable ba kamo?
Yeah,
We have privilege? Yes. Our job is a dream job of jobless. Diba? Our home is a dream home, dream house of homeless. And your husband and your wife is a dream husband and your wife. Of course, what? Nothing.
Hindi mo na yan. Matanda si Ma'am Love.
I understand.
May nag-react, sir.
I understand that these years are a super exciting time of the year. When children embark on new channels of life, exploring themselves, their talents and their team, since we have no classes for the past 2 years. I believe in practicality instead of planning. Easy lang. I believe in engineers instead of machines. I believe in learning rather than grading or grades. As this school has always lived up to the expectations of students and parents, I assure you it will continue to do so. I believe that all learners can successfully learn when provided with positive environment. Can we promise that?
Yes.
Can we promise that to our stakeholders?
Yes.
Sige, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Makikita natin yan. No? Okay. My end goal with collaboration from parents, teachers, and staff, of course with our stakeholders, is to help all learners achieve their highest potential. And of course, kasama na dyan ang improvement of our learning environment. It's an honor for me to be in a school which is known welcoming environment as well as an amazing teachers, learners, and parents. I am passionate about curriculum and instruction, and I believe that my humble ability to build rapport with teachers while being collaboratively then will allow us to continue to grow in our professional learning together. Walang iwanan yun. Walang iwanan. I believe in having a growth mindset for all, and that every decision we make as a school should be learner-centered. So hindi tayo alis yan. We should be learner-centered. Communication is the key to every successful relationship we have, and a professional one or a domestic one. Please feel free to come up with new ideas. I challenge you to have innovations. Yeah? I sincerely welcome new ideas, new innovative, new techniques, new programs, and new talents. Please remember that my door is always open to you. The door of our office. Okay? Not the door of my house. That is exclusive for me. I sincerely welcome your conversation and input and want to collaborate with each and every one of you as we keep our learners primary focus as always. So hindi tayo alis sa pinaka-main focus natin. At the end of every day, I am firmly committed to learner-centered learning. We are family. Yeah? We are family. And in a family, alam natin, we have differences. Yeah? I am not here to mend a broken heart, a broken relationship. Yeah? But to give you idea, no? It is up to you on how to mend your own broken heart. Kasi I have also my own. Kabangay lang, ha? We need to work as one team. Either it is us or it is no one. So kung hindi tayo, wala na ibang gagawa. Ha? Sino pa ba? It is all for one and one for all. If you have any problem, please come and discuss. No? Dadaan natin yan sa malamig, sa maboteng usapan. Sa malamig na lugar. Okay? It is here that we'll find out who we really are as a people, as organization, not just as teachers. Family. Yun ang tinutunan. About everything, we are a team, and we have to do everything as a family. No person curious pa. Family is everything. Okay? We want secure future for our kids, our learners, our priority. We will be making anything possible kung ang pinag-usapan ninyo. We will see the unseen together. We will chase the sky above the sky. Thank you and have a wonderful time ahead. Thank you.